So you remember before we placed an order in this platform, we had 3,558 followers, and we still have that. So all we need to do right now is for us to actually refresh by drawing this thing down, and boom, you can see we currently have 3,593 followers, which means that these followers are currently counting. So guys, I bought 1,000 followers in Ghana, and this happened, right? So I'll be looking for a website to actually buy followers in Ghana, and until I found this website, growbetagh.com, right? You know, when you use this website, it comes immediately, and I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to use this website. You know, as you can see right here on the screen, this is how the website look like when you come to the website, right? The first thing you need to do is for you to actually create an account in this platform. So all you need to do is to come down right here. You can see this sign up right here. Can you see? You just need to tap on it, and once you tap on it, you come to this place, put your username, and come right here, put your email, and come right here, create a password, and also come down right here and confirm your password. After that, click on the sign up, and your account is going to be created easy peasy. All right, so due to because I already have an account, I just need to log in and show you guys how I was able to buy 1,000 followers in Ghana, and it came instantly. So let's go. So right now I've logged into my account. When you log into your account, this is exactly how it look like. You know, the first thing I did is that I came to this category right here. Can you see this category? I tapped on it and scroll down and look for TikTok followers, right? Okay, here are TikTok followers. I use this particular one, this TikTok followers 10% drop and the fast delivery new. You know, this particular, I just selected it and came to this service right here. Can you see this service right there? I came to the service, then select this first one, then read this instruction, which this instruction is actually what described the service, right? Right here they said the quality is worldwide profile, and the start time is instant, and the speed is 20k a day, and the refill is 10 days. And they also said when the service is busy, the starting speed of the process may vary. Do not place second order or the same link before your current order is completed in the system. All right, so basically the next thing I did is that I came right here, the road link, and inserted my profile link. Right, so how do you copy your profile link? Let me show you guys how to do that. All you need to do is to come to your TikTok, right? So when you come to your TikTok, this is exactly how it actually look like. So the first thing you need to do is for you to come to this arrow up here. Can you see this arrow up here? Tap on it, and boom, come to this copy link right here. Can you see this copy link right here? Tap on it, and your link is copied. And you guys need to mark these followers right here. We have 3,558 followers, right? We are going to be boosting these followers, and you are going to see that it's going to increase from this. So mark it. We have 3,558 followers now. So let's go. So we don't need to come back to growbeta and paste our link, right? You know, once you paste your link, the next thing you need to do is to put the amount of followers you want. So I just input my like 100 followers for this tutorial, and the next thing is to click on submit, and right here you can see our order has been received, right? You can see our order have been received. So all you need to do right now is for you to actually exercise patience, and these followers will start coming in. But before then, I want you guys to understand that whatever you're doing in this platform is not free. You need to pay money for you to actually get them. So how then do you fund account in this platform? Is very easy. All you need to do is for you to come to this three line up here. Can you see this three line up here? Tap on it, and by your left hand side you can see this add fund right here. Can you see this add fund right here? Just tap on it, and once you tap on it, right, you can see this amount right here. Just tap on it and put the amount of money you want to fund. You know, you can fund 20 cedis, you can fund 50, 100, 500, 1,000. So you just need to click on pay after you've done that, and once you tap on pay, like Pay are going to tell you to actually put your mobile money number below. Once you put your mobile money number, you just click on pay, and the payment is going to be successful, and it will reflect to your growbeta balance. Easy peasy. You don't need to do anything. It will automatically reflect to your balance, right? So let's go back to TikTok to actually check if these followers have started coming in. So you remember before we placed an order in this platform, we had 3,558 followers, and we still have that. So all we need to do right now is for us to actually refresh by drawing this thing down, and boom, you can see we currently have 3,593 followers, which means that these followers are currently counting, right? This is exactly how they will be counting until they complete, right? Easy peasy, right? So all you need to do is for you to come to this platform, growbetagh.com, create an account, and do exactly the same thing I did, and you'll be able to boost your TikTok followers. Easy peasy. So thank you all for watching, and see you guys in my next video.